Very good morning to all of you students. Today I will continue my topic punctuation as I have started the topic punctuation explain to you punctuation marks. Student, punctuation is a method where we are going to use punctuation marks which are visual symbol to separate one class from another, and there are many punctuation marks which are important to know to all of you. Yesterday, in my previous video lecture, I explained about use of capital letter. Okay, you know there are two types of letter: capital letter and small letter. Total 26 letter. They are written in written form. They are written in capital and small form. So, where we are going to use capital letter have been explained in my previous video lecture. Today, I will continue the topic with the other symbol of punctuation marks, just like full stop. Okay. Next important symbol is full stop. Full stop, you know, this is the symbol of full stop. Okay. Full stop. Very common word for all of you. Where we are going to use full stop at the end of assertive and end of assertive and imperative sentences. They are the symbol that we are going to take a pause. Our sentence is completed. Okay, this is the symbol that our sentence is completed. Okay, in assertive sentence and in imperative sentences. And what is the next one related with your full stop? Where we are going to use full stop after the initials of signature. And after the initials of signature, just like R.N. Sinha, Dr. R.N. Sinha, Dr. R.N. Burma, A.K. Pathak, and whenever we are going to use our initials of signature, we put full stop after each letter. Okay, and third important thing related with the full stop that we use after the abbreviation. After the abbreviation you know संक्षिप्त शब्द. कभी कभी हम चीज़ें जो है वो पोस्ट के नेम है, आपके कंडीशंस के नेम है, डिग्रीज के नेम है, वो हम इनिशियल लिखते हैं शॉर्ट में, एब्रीवेटेड फॉर्म में लिखते हैं, एब्रीवेटेड फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. और वी यूज capital letter, we use full stop after each letter of abbreviated form, just like MLA, post of a political phase, post MLA. Okay, doctor, MLA, BA, MA, etc. Full stop. And finally we put full stop as a decimal point. Decimal point means just like 2.1%, 3.3%. So this point, decimal point, okay? Just like full stop. So student, full stop is very common punctuation mark, and you use it when your sentence ends in assertive and in imperative sentences, and especially for your abbreviation form, abbreviated form. Now, next important marks is comma. This. What is comma? What is the symbol of comma? This one. Okay. Comma is a very important symbol of a short pause within a sentence. Okay. Comma is a short pause within a sentence, and this is very important punctuation marks. And if we are going to use in wrong way, our comma in wrong way, the meaning may be changed in the sentence. There are so many rules related with comma. We will illustrate rules one by one. First rule related with comma is that after each word in a series, except the last one which is added with the end. For example, I bought a packet of biscuits and bananas and chocolate, so many things. So after each word in a series, biscuit, chocolate, ice cream, and finally and ice cream. So we put comma after each word of the series except the last one which is added by and. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, हम सबके साथ वैराइटीज़ को अलग अलग करने के लिए कॉमा लगाते चले जाएंगे. बिस्किट, चॉकलेट and pencil, etc. And finally, when we are going to put n for your last item, for your last word, then we are not going to use comma. मतलब and के पहले या बाद में यहाँ comma नहीं लगेगा. बाकी चीज़ें हैं जो आपकी varieties शो कर रही हैं, आप वहाँ पे comma लगाते जाएंगे और final item, final word के पहले and लगेगा. I think you got it. And next rule is after subordinate class, after a subordinate class, if it begins with a sentence. Subordinate class, you know, if it rains, I shall not go to the market. Okay? I shall not go to the market. This one is main clause, and its subordinate clause is if it rains. Okay? Subordinate clause start with if, when, unless, etc. सबॉर्डिनेट क्लास को मेन क्लास से सेपरेट करने के लिए भी हम कॉमा का यूज करते हैं. इवन समटाइम्स इन कोऑर्डिनेट क्लास, both the coordinate classes are separated with the help of comma, but especially in subordinate class, जब आपकी एक क्लास दूसरी मेन क्लास पे मीनिंग के लिए डिपेंडेंट है ना, ऐसी डिपेंडेंट क्लास को सेपरेट करने के लिए भी हम कॉमा का यूज करते हैं. ओके, फाइन. नेक्स्ट is while quoting someone, comma is put to the left of a quotation mark. Suppose whenever you are when you write down your narration, when you write down any narration form, how you use comma? Rita said, comma, inverted comma, so and so. And if there is a pause between sentence, we put comma inside the inverted comma. अगर यहाँ पे आपकी दो क्लॉज हैं और आपको एक को एक से सेपरेट करना है तो वहाँ पर भी आप बीच में कॉमा का यूज करेंगे. बट यू सेपरेट योर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब फ्रॉम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच से रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब को सेपरेट करने के लिए भी आप कॉमा का यूज करते हैं. यू नो दिस वन, whatever placed inside the reported speech, inside the inverted comma, that you call reported speech, and this one you call reporting verb. So to separate reporting verb from reported speech, you put comma. You got it? Fine. Next, to separate noun from nominative of address. What is nominative of address? What is nominative of address? When we call someone, Ram, come here. Ram, come here. Okay, we'll start. Students, sit down. Okay, this one is nominative address. So, to separate nominative address from the sentence, we use comma. Comma का use कहाँ करते हैं? नॉमिनेटिव एड्रेस को, नॉमिनेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ एड्रेस को सेंटेंस से सेपरेट करने के लिए भी हम कॉमा का यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, कॉमा इज यूज्ड बिफोर एंड आफ्टर केस इन अपोजिशन. बिफोर एंड आफ्टर केस इन अपोजिशन. केस इन अपोजिशन पहले आप इसको समझ लीजिए. केस इन अपोजिशन इज जस्ट लाइक अ ग्रुप एंड टाइटल in 2 or 3 words that is used for the noun. Okay, Indira Gandhi, the first lady prime minister, was shot 31st October 1984. Okay, so what is the phrase, what is the case in apposition that is put for the noun? Noun means subject, Indira Gandhi. And what was the case in apposition? What title was added for her? The first lady prime minister. Okay, so this one, the first lady prime minister, will be placed between commas. We will use comma before case in apposition and after case in apposition, just like Milton, comma, the great poet, comma, was born in England. So this one, that is called case in apposition. That is used for the noun. And to separate to separate from noun and verb, you place your case in apposition in comma. इसके पहले भी comma और इसके बाद भी. Just like Indira Gandhi, comma, the first lady prime minister, comma, was shot dead on 31st October 1984. So student, this is called case in apposition. का जो नाउन के लिए यूज होता है, ये टाइटल है, हेडिंग है, जो इस नाउन के लिए यूज किया जाता है. इस टाइटल और हेडिंग के बिफोर एंड आफ्टर वी आर गोइंग टू पुट आवर कॉमा, आवर पंक्चुएशन मार्क. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. टू सेपरेट प्रिंसिपल फ्रेज, टू सेपरेट पार्टिसिपल फ्रेज. What is participle phrase? Okay, whenever we combine two clauses and make simple sentences, okay, we put two clauses and one clause is separated from the help of comma, just like being honest. Being honest, he did not accept the bribe. Accept the bribe, ईमानदार होने की वजह से उसने रिश्वत नहीं. तो being honest, this one is participle clause. To separate participle clause from the main clause, what we use comma. Next example, having completed his work, he went to sleep. काम पूरा करने के बाद वो सोने गया. So what is this? Having completed his work. This one is participle form. This one is participle form, participle clause. And to separate this participle clause from main clause, we use comma. इसके सपोर्ट से मैंने इन दोनों को सेपरेट किया. ठीक है, जब कंबाइन करते हैं दो सिंपल सेंटेंसेस को कंबाइन करते हैं तो पार्टिसिपल के हेल्प से उसको कंबाइन करते हैं. वर्ब की पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म से, आईएनजी फॉर्म से, पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म से उसको कंप्लीट करते हैं. इसलिए हम उसको पार्टिसिपल क्लास बोलते हैं. और इस पार्टिसिपल क्लास को मेन क्लास से सेपरेट करने के लिए हम कॉमा का यूज़ करते हैं. ये पार्टिसिपल फ्रेज है जो हम अपने उस क्लास से सेपरेट करते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, एंड नेक्स्ट important thing related with comma, you know very well that is very common. Whenever we write down date and day and year, okay, how we are going to write it? 24 September 2020. So to separate date and date from year, वर्ष से दिन और मंथ को सेपरेट करने के लिए भी हम कॉमा का यूज करते हैं. ये बहुत कॉमन चीज़ है, आप अक्सर लिखते हैं, अच्छे से जानते हैं. सो टू सेपरेट ईयर फ्रॉम द डे एंड डेट वी यूज कॉमा. एंड फाइनली एंड लास्ट वन, whenever we use tag interrogative sentences. Tag interrogative sentences, when we are going to separate our question or interrogative sentence from tag interrogative part, we use comma. Just like you know me, don't you? You know me, don't you? तुम उसको जानते हो, नहीं जानते क्या? So this one is called tag interrogative. So separate sentence from tag interrogative we use comma. So student, these are the rules which are related with comma. And now you have come to know about the use of capital letter. And about use of full stop and about the use of comma. And I think that is enough for today. In our next video lecture, I will continue our topic. Till then, have a nice day.